Hello, dear students. Welcome back to school. With you, Mr. Ahmed Mamdouh from AB Language School. We will start today with the first lesson in the first unit, which is the Cartesian product. Before we explain the Cartesian product, let's talk about something important, the ordered pair. You have seen the ordered pair in the graph, like this point, 3 and negative 1, and you used to call it a point. But now this point will represent for us the ordered pair as this form. This form is called the ordered pair A and B, where A is called first projection and B is called second projection. So the ordered pair consists of two brackets, two projections, and they are separated by a comma. Now we have some important notes to know more about the ordered pair. The first one, the ordered pair A and B not equal the set A and B. We put the elements of the set between braces, but we put the two projections of the ordered pairs between brackets. And the ordered pair A and B not equal the interval A and B. The interval is the period from A to B. The element in the ordered pair can be repeated, while that can't happen in the sets. For example, the ordered pair 2 and 2. We can say it. We can say the ordered pair 2 and 2. But we can't say the set 2 and 2. We say the set of element 2. The third one, the empty set is denoted by phi, while there is not an empty ordered pair. The ordered pair must contain two projections. The fourth note, the ordered pair A and B not equal the ordered pair B and A, where A not equal B. Order matters in the ordered pair. For example, the ordered pair 2 and 3 not equal the ordered pair 3 and 2. Exercise. Find the value of x and y if the ordered pair x squared minus 1 and 8 equals the ordered pair 48 and cube root of y. We split the page and put in the left side x squared minus 1 equals 48. The first projection of the first ordered pair equals the first projection of the second ordered pair. It will be equation x squared minus 1 equals 48. We add 1 to the both sides. Then x squared will be equal 49. To get the value of x, we put 49 in square root. Okay, therefore x equals positive or negative 7. And in the right side, we put the second projection of the first ordered pair equals the second projection of the second ordered pair. the equation will be cube root of y equals 8. To cancel the cube root, we put the both sides power 3. Okay, then the answer will be y equals 512. Now let's start our basic lesson, the Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of the set x to the set y is denoted by x product y. We can say x multiply y. In the numbers, between the numbers, we can say 4 multiply 5, for example, but x and y are two sets, and between the sets, we use the expression of product. So we say x product y, x product y. In order to understand our lesson, we must remember some operations about the sets through this exercise, which also contains our lesson today. He says, if x equals the set of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the set y equals 4, 5, and 6, then find x intersect y and x union y, x difference y, and x product y, and represent it by arrow diagram and Cartesian diagram. The solution: to find x intersect y, it means find the common element between the two sets. Okay, the common elements between the two sets is 4. Yeah, we put the 4 between braces. And to get x union y, we put all the elements of x and y in one set. So the set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. X difference y, that we will take the elements in x and not in the set y. The elements that found in the set x and not found in the set y are 1, 2, and 3. Now, x product y. The meaning of the product of the set x with the set y is that we take every element of the set x with all the element of the set y. Like, we will take the element 1 of the set x with all the elements of y, with 4, with 5, with 6. And we will put it in the ordered pair. So we will put 1 and 4 in the ordered pair, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. And repeat that with all the elements of x. So x product y will be the set of 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6. After we get x product y, he asked me to represent it by arrow and Cartesian diagram. The arrow diagram consists of two vertical columns. One of them contains the elements of x and the other is set y. Then we connect each element of the set x with all the elements of the set y, like that. And the Cartesian diagram consists of two columns. One of them is vertical and the other is horizontal. The horizontal contains the set x and the set y vertical. Then we put points where each two elements meet, as we used to do when we were drawing in the coordinates in our previous years. We have some important notes that help us in the choose question. Okay, number one, x product y not equal y product x, because the ordered pair 1 and 5 not equal the ordered pair 5 and 1. Any set product phi equals phi. So x product phi equals phi. Because phi has no elements, phi is empty set. X product x equals x squared. So any set product itself equals this set squared. So y product y equals y squared. Z product z equals z squared, and vice versa. The number of elements denoted by n, like if number of elements of the set x equals 3 and number of elements of y equals 2, then number of elements of x product y equals 3 multiply 2 equals 6, and number of elements x product x equals number of elements of x squared equals 3 product multiply 3 equals 9, and number of elements y product y equals number of elements of y squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4. Finally, we have some complete questions. Let's solve it. Number 1, if x product y equals the set of 2 and 6, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 3 and 9, 5 and 6, 5 and 9, then find the set of x and the set of y. The set of x is the first projection of the first ordered pairs. The first projection of the ordered pairs. Then x will be 2, 3 and 5. And the set y is the second projection of the ordered pairs, whose 6 and 9, like you see. So the set y will be 6 and 9. Number 2, if the set x equals 1 and 2, then x product phi, any set product phi equals, yes, right, phi, and the number of elements of x product phi equals number of elements. We have 0 elements. Number 3, if the set x equals 3, then x squared equals the ordered pair 3 and 3 between braces. Number 4, if number of elements x equals 5 and the set y equals 4 and 3, then number of elements of x product y. Okay, we have number of elements of x 5 and the set y equals 2 elements 4 and 3. So number of elements of the set y is 2. Then number of elements x product y is 5 multiply 2 equals 10. Number 4, if number of elements of the set x equals 3 and number of elements of x product y equals 12, then number of elements of the set y equals 12 divided 3 equals 4. So number of elements of the set y is 4. The last one, if number of elements of x squared equals 4 and number of elements of x product y equals 8. Then number of elements of y square equal, first we will get number of elements of x, not x square. We put 4 in square root, so number of elements of x equals 2. Then we will get number of elements of the set y. It will be 8 divided 2 equal 4. So the set y has 4 elements. So number of elements of y square, 4 power 2 equals 16. Good luck.